Right, so the next part of the English is the activity 2, and then also just a summary on Love David. But I just want to continue quickly with advertisements. In activity 2, I would like you to read page 86 and 87 in your textbook, just to familiarize yourself about adverts, what are adverts, how adverts are created. And that is just to give you a sort of a background on the adverts. Then the second activity I want you to do is, I want you to take a magazine or find a magazine, and in the magazine you'll find an advert. Then you are going to cut out that advert and you are going to stick it in your book, okay? But after you've done that, I want you to, with your family, discuss this advert. And there are 5 questions that I want you to discuss. Number 1, what is being advertised, okay? Look closely at the advert, what is being advertised. Number 2, who is the target audience? So who is the advert aimed at, okay? Then number 3, what is the main idea of the advert? And then number 4, what is the name of the product that is being advertised? And then what is the slogan, the jingle? Once you have discussed this with your family, then you answer the questions in your book, okay? And remember, it's your red language book that we are using, and you will do this below the table, okay, of activity 1. Now I'm going to move on to Love David and the summary. Okay, so for Love David, which is the novel that we've been doing, I hope that you have found time this last couple of weeks to just read Love David, but specifically this week I want you to focus on chapter 5. You're going to read chapter 5 for me. You can read the chapter to your parents, or you can ask them to read it to you, and then I want you to take careful note of how they are describing the interior of David's home. Okay, then I want you to do activity 3, and the instruction is, please do the activity on a page from your exam pad and keep it in your file. Okay, like I've asked all Love David activities to be done on an exam pad, because I'm scared that your creative writing book is going to get full, and so I don't want that to happen while we're still at home. Okay, so use your exam pad for the Love David activities. So now what you're going to do is, you are going to record descriptive words that they are describing David's home. For example, it is small, it is one room, then Dada's side was reserved for a chamber, it's a corner, which he also then used as a bed. So you're going to use descriptive words in your bullet points. I've given you an example on how to do it, so just follow the example. So you can start your summary with those first 3 bullet points, and then you continue afterwards. Okay, then number 2 of this activity is, you are going to take an A4 page, right? A4 page, you know what an A4 page is, right? You can use an A4 page, and you are going to draw the interior of David's home. Okay, using the bullet points, okay, that you have, you're going to use that to create your picture, and I've given you a due date for that. I would like you to submit it. You take a picture of it and you load it onto Google Classroom, or you send the picture on the WhatsApp group, okay? And then I will check it, but your due date is the 16th, which is on Thursday. Take your time with it, have fun with the activity, use lots of color, be creative. So I want an A4 page, and you are going to draw the interior as they explain it in chapter 5. The interior of the Yankees home, which is David's surname, Yankees, and you're going to draw that for me on a blank A4 page, and you're going to use lots of color, and it's going to look beautiful. I look forward to seeing all those lovely drawings. Okay, have a good day. Bye.